I'm going to show you how to put together a low volume 2-input assembler plot. So the first thing we need to do is pick out where we're going to be putting this. So the important thing is we want this exactly along the 28.5 fault line. And we want it in a place where this longitudinal line goes straight through. You can see that these ones don't, this one does. So we're going to put our logistics station right there. And then 15 lines back, we're going to put a helper station here. Now a lot of times I'm going to have a helper station here already. You can see down here are all my helper stations, but right around this little area I don't, because I don't need a helper station for steel smelting. So let's lay out the tracks. We're going to build a, let's say a Tesla tower. So we're going to put in iron, we're going to put in those magnetic coils. We're going to put the volume really far down because I don't need a lot of this. And we'll just 5, and we don't have any of that coming in, so we're just going to drop some in there. Okay. So now, the track layout, we're going to start here, and we're just going to go down just exactly one out. Let's put the iron here. Doesn't really matter. And then right here, we're going to put the magnetic coils. And over here, we duplicate that, this little J-shaped pattern. And magnetic coils down to here. Okay. So now, we can put assemblers. Now this thing will fit up to 4 assemblers, and we want to set this one back here, so there's a little gap there. And you can put it here, and here. And then we're going to take our output lines, and we're going to go here, 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 here. Now because we're so close to the fault line, there's going to be a little grid crunch, so there's going to be a little more gap between this side and that side. I don't think there's any performance issue, and for a low volume assembler, we don't really care, but it does, you know, look noticeable. So we're going to put our input sorters. Now you can see how this belt is a little bit shorter than that one. So we're going to use that. I'm going to leave this here just because I like how that looks, but obviously that is not necessary. Okay, so now let's power this thing up. We're going to assign the recipe. And let's make sure everything's working. That they're all good to go. Alright, so that is a low volume 2-input assembler layout.